Hello YouTube, Allan here. I've met these two wonderful kids from Denmark. They're the first two individuals that I've ever met from Denmark, and they're absolutely amazing. Can you tell me what your name is?
My name is Frederick. My name is Camille.
We have Frederick and Camille here. They're seeing this wonderful, beautiful waterfall here today, and it's absolutely amazing. What do you like about the waterfall? You like the mountains? I absolutely love the way the water's splashing off that big rock. I think that's really neat. And do you have anything you want to say? Like maybe say hello to family and loved ones?
Hello, Mom.
So again, these are two wonderful kids that I've met from Denmark. If you do like today's video, please like and subscribe. Share with friends, share with family, share with the entire planet, because I'd like to get this magical, beautiful moment with these wonderful people out to as many people as possible. So again, I will let you enjoy the view for the last remaining seconds and enjoy the day. Thank you very much. Were they not cute or what?